Welcome back to NDisk Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change /command permissions. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Discord, click the register option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing /command permissions on Discord can be very important for a lot of reasons because, number one, limiting who can use certain /commands helps prevent misuse or abuse of commands that could disrupt the server or access sensitive information. Now, commands that manage server settings, kick, ban users, or access private data should be restricted to trusted roles. Now the thing is, you can't change /commands permissions on Discord using your mobile device. You really have to go to the website of discord.com or you go to your Discord client on your Windows. Alright, now the first step after this one is, now you need to go to this specific website called top.gg. Type it in your web browser top.gg and you'll be directed to this website. Now from here, all I have to do is search for the top boss on Discord, and that's gonna be, my favorite is the MEE6. Okay, there you go. Now click this one. And what will happen is you need to click the invite option. All right, click on it and you will be asked on what Discord server you'd like to use that, and you will be directed here. All right, all I gotta do is select a server, and that's gonna be the Andy Guides How To, and click on continue. What will happen is you want the access to your Discord account. All right, now if you wanted to change or modify some information here or options, just select that you wanted, and once you're happy with that, click on authorize. Now the thing is, we have already created our MEE6 account, but what we need from here is not this one. We need to switch over to our Discord app. Now once you are on the Discord app, all you're gonna do is go to the server and click on server settings, and from here click on the integrations, and this is going to be the bots and apps that you have installed on your Discord server. And of course we have the MEE6 right here. Click on manage, and these are the commands that you can use on your Discord server. All right, and of course for you to change the /command permissions, all you're gonna do is click on the X right here so that no one can easily use that. All right, you can add roles or members here. You can also, if you change your mind, of course, definitely you can change that as well. And once you're happy with that, all they're gonna do is save changes. Now there are certain situations that you can't find the /commands in the integration sections. That happened to me in the past. What happened was, there's probably a bug or a glitch or a problem with the server, and what you need from here is go here to get some troubleshooting steps. This is the official Discord help center, and from here just choose the topic that you wanted, but I suggest you click on the contact us option right here if you can find that. Click on the help. All right, type your question here if you get an answer. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.